Hello and welcome back. Before we look at the factors which affect the rate of a reaction, let's look at what a chemical reaction actually is and what needs to happen for a reaction to take place. Okay, so for a chemical reaction to take place, there must be successful collisions between the reactant particles. For a successful collision to occur, two things need to happen. Firstly, the reactant particles must collide with the correct orientation. By this we mean we kind of need a head-on-head collision. For instance, in this first example, the reactant particles are in the correct orientation and so you would get a successful collision. However, in this second example, the reactant particles are not in the correct orientation and so no reaction would take place. Secondly, the reactant particles must collide with sufficient energy. For instance, if there isn't sufficient energy, the reactant particles will hit each other and just bounce back. No reaction is going to occur. If you do have sufficient energy, the reactant particles are going to collide and a new product will be formed. Ultimately, the greater the rate of successful collisions, and by this we mean the more successful collisions you have, the faster the reaction rate. In summary, in order for a chemical reaction to take place, you need successful collisions. And in order for successful collisions, the reactant particles must collide with the correct orientation and sufficient energy. In the next lesson, we're going to spend a bit more time exploring the factors which affect the rate of a reaction. Thank you for watching and see you next time.